Here is a Hisense L9Q 4K triple laser review. As you can see, it is ultra short through USB projector up to 200 US or MV. It is very practical for those people who are indeed needed projector. It has an LPU digital laser engine 2.0 powered by a high performance chipset. It is also AI-powered PQ enhancement and has an ultra-high brightness and contrast, composed for blog screen. To buy this, click on the Add to Cart options to any online shop that you want and click on Checkout. So if you're planning to buy the Hisense, what you need to do is to go ahead and bought it if you are related or wanted a nice projector laser to your company or just for entertainment. But if not, you can just go ahead and use a simple projector. But beware that this is a big screen brilliance.